Alright, we're here with the Ranger today, and as you've noticed, we got a short nose. A while back, a lady hit me in the snow, ruined the front end. So, we're gonna get something to fix this, but this has been the daily while we fix the Jeep up. I'll probably leave the dent in because she's just a wheeler. Keeps her character together. This was the first dent I ever put in there myself, hitting the tree going downhill because you can't catch reverse quick enough in a manual. But here's the new bumper. It's going to match the Jeep's bumper because she's getting built up. Rear end is right there. There's the 8.8 that we're going to throw in there hopefully this weekend. Back to this. Let's pop her open, see what we got inside. Pretty blanket. Wow. Very thorough. More zip ties. Okay, so it comes in pieces. See, I bought the Jeep's one used. That one had already been assembled, obviously. More zip ties. Just give me the reveal already. No, I needed the dikes, the cutters, just to get in here. I'm sure there's hardware in here somewhere that I'll find later. Let's drop this. What have we got here? Told you I'd find it. Here, let's flip it so you can see it better. And let's get rid of this. You probably can't see jack with that there. So, it's actually an improvement from the Jeeps. This one has lower lights too. And the clips, there are no clips. It's just wires. So I'll be making clips, no worries, I can do that. I wanted to do that anyways. But that's killer. Here we got our mini bully bar. I didn't want to go too aggressive or get a stinger. Not really any need for what I'm doing here. It's more of just a push bar and a light bar holder. Yeah, there we go. Should be mounted up. Ooh, a little bit of a bend here. That's all right though, because my last one had that too. I can just take some big channel locks and I'll bend that out. But that's when I place the winch on there. No worries for right now. Right now I just gotta get her mounted up. But it's a completely different mounting system, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. So we're going to the drawing boards with this one, but let me bring the camera around and I'll give you a different shot. Let's see what's going on here. Here's this push bar. You got your light bar or light pod, stands, whatever you want to put there. Yeah, this guy is just a little bit crooked, but I'll straighten that out. No worries. So, here's what we've got for a mounting situation. Studs just straight through with one. Yeah, that's a welded nut on the back here. Probably can't see much, but I'm probably gonna have to make a plate because this, you can see it matches here. And like I said, I'll just make a plug, make a few plugs that I'll just go from these wires to external wires and go up to a junction box, all for an electronic or a wireless button. But those are here. Let's show you again. Get your memory fresh. I gotta match this up, make something, probably an L bracket to match here, come off. And we're gonna be fitting somewhere along the lines of either inside or, my guess, outside of the current frame, since Rangers actually have an actual whole frame. So we're just gonna probably take out these bolts, drop this bumper off since I already cut it up, get rid of it, scrap metal, and maybe I'll use some of this metal as a bracketry right here or something like that. Who knows? Who knows what I'll do? That, or I'll find some scrap metal and I'll weld something up. Maybe while I'm in here I'll get some body mounts. But later on, she's gonna be getting an SHO. I'll be picking that up as soon as I drop the Jeep off. Give you a little peek at the Jeep again. Go over the fence. That plus that blue guy, that's the 8.8, which I've already done the 8.8 to this one, as you can see in there. It's been in there for a good 5 years. That one's got posi 410. This one here, that's 373 straight locker. So, but yeah, that's that'll be dropped off. I'll pick up the SHO with the truck. I'll bring that back, and that'll be for another adventure later on down the road. But for now, we're gonna work on getting a bumper on this guy so we can get a fresh, brand new nose, get some protection, and then we're gonna get that rear end in the Jeep, the green machine. All right, peace. And then, by the way, I'll just add shout out to Seven Blacksmiths. That's who I got this from. This is actually for a, I want to say 2008 to maybe it's 2014-ish. basically like a JK Rubicon. That's what this bumper is for. But I made it to fit on my ZJ. I measured the frame out, and I think this will fit just fine. But shout out to Seven Blacksmiths. I got it through them on Facebook. Excellent bumper. If it holds up anything like my other one, I'll be very pleased. So let's go ahead and let's wrap this up. Let's get her in there.